Hey guys, welcome to the second part of Brothers, A Tale of Two Sons. Let's play. Continue. Here we go. Father. Oh yeah, need to walk. Let's go to this. Hot chick. Hot chick, come. What do you have to say? Oh my god. Yeah, clown. What what with her?
Da!
Ah. Here we go. Some squirrel. Do we need to go this way? No. Yes. What do we have to do? What do we have to do? What is this? I like that shield. Really, I like that shield. Oh, the secret. Oh, funny. Really funny. Gave him. Oh, come on, one more time. One more time. You are bad. You are really bad, man. Bad man. Hit that ass. Hit that ass, man. Hit that ass. Hit that ass. Hit that ass.
Ona,
Ah.
da, yai.
And what are we going through? Thank you, my friend. Are we going? Are we going down? Let's look what the old man have to say. What can we do with him? Bravo, bravo! We have a musician in the middle of us. Thank you, thank you. Flylifegame was just making this music. Thank you. Oh. Okay, that sounds awful. My ears are going to explode. Walk. Walk. Walking to the beach. And now, what can we do with him? He doesn't like alcohol.
Oda, when hadi?
That man. Make some money. Tss. Mongol. Come fight.
Atta!
Nothing to do here. You Oh, wat een middenhand. Oh, wat een middenhand. Stupid hand. Bitch. What can we do? Jump? Oh, you can help your brother. Do something, but what do we have to do? We can't jump. No! Look, look, look. I know it. Oh, come on, come on, come on. Woo. That was close. Run, my friend, run, come on, train the dog. Phew, phew, make him crazy, make him crazy. Yeah, he's already crazy, but okay. Hi. I like that sound from the brother. Okay, let's do this. Oh, come on, come on. Okay, we can go. Yes. You're done. What else?
あった
What the fuck? Just climb. Yeah, here you go. Good job, guys. Good job. You're upside. Good job. Yeah, good job. There we go.
はいない
We are somewhere. Ah, cute. Some habits. Rabbits. I like the pink one. I really like the pink one. What's this? Run for your life. Oh, wait. We need to walk together. Yeah, what now? Fuck. What do I need to do? I really like that cat. He's so enjoying to the other people. This game.
Yeah.
Okay, we are the pink. Okay, I want you. Come, you. Do you want? Oh wait, maybe I know it.
いやあっただ Atta!
Yeah, but if you can... Yeah, but we need to do something with those stupid thing. No.
Da!
You need to pick it up.
Atta!
You're standing up.
Ja! Atta!
I have no idea what to do. What the fuck do we need to do? Yeah. Come on. We need to get both of them need to go. We need some rabbits for that. But yeah. How can we catch him and bring him to that point? It's difficult. Yeah, but if he can pick it up, you fucking moron. Pick it up. No, I have no idea what to do. What the
Da!
fuck do you want? Yeah, if I catch one. Yeah.
Atta!
What the fuck do we need to do? It's difficult.
Da!
Stupid moron. Help me to get the thing up.
Atta!
And if you catch him, and if you can, yeah, all that. I have no idea what to do. The brother can't pick up the rabbit. He's stupid. He's a moron. So yeah.
Hey, nee!
Yeah. How do you suppose to let it work? Oh my god, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? You let the sheep walk? Jump him into the water. The sheep falls. Oh, I feel terrible for that sheep. Oh, you fucking bitch. Yeah. You've done it, my friends. You've done it. That takes me some hours. Where are we now? Do we need to... Oh, here. Oh, fuck. I hear someone. or something. And we are coming closer to it. What the fuck is that? Is that your mother? Oh, shit. Oh no.
Hey!
We are coming in
No.
peace. Peace, come. In peace. Oh, hey. Hey. Hey.
Baru, when hadi, da? Sa?
Da, ja.
We can see you, my friend. With your big arms. Okay, what now? I need to follow him. Or do he follow us?
Ay!
Ah, flying. Yoo-hoo.
Hey,
Thank you.
Nai!
Goodbye. Next time I kill you.
Hey,
Hey, Nai!
Does he come back?
Hey,
Hey,
Naya!
Nai!
Yes. Oh, oh wait, here he comes. He seems to be friendly.
Da!
Oh, he comes. He's coming. Jesus. I feel my legs.
Hey, Nai!
Thank you, my friends. Really, thank you. Yes, we know. How dare you to touch my back? I'm coming after you, my friend.
Atta!
Oh my fucking god. This game isn't friendly for the PC. How dare you to touch my baby again? I knew it. Sorry, my friend. Sorry. I knew it. You must. I can't trust you anymore. What the fuck? Is he stupid or something? Why the fuck can he climb up? Like his brother. He's really stupid, I think. Let's first do the brother. Because he's too stupid to do it. Sometimes this game
Daar,
is
Naïe,
fucking
staan.
stupid.
Ja,
Look, we can't...
Daar.
Finally, finally. What next? Waiting for the big giant. Ugly troll. They can help us.
Oh!
hey, Naïe. Wow! Atta!
What the fuck, man? Come on! What the fuck are you doing? Finally. The fuck. Come on. Gotcha, my fat. Finally, you made it. What the fuck are you doing, little brother?
Hey,
Oh my
Naïe.
god. This fucking thing here again. I really hate him. He's so stupid, the little brother. To just stand there. He killed his own brother. His girl. Yeah, you really help the war with killing people. You really do. What else do we have to do after this?
Hey, Naïe.
Hey, Naïe. Hey. Ah. Oh my god. Where are we? Where are we? Need to go zoom. Stupid brother. Oh no, what's in this cave? For danger. So far this episode of Brothers. Thanks for watching and see you next time.